getting a little wild at Caillou's house.
Rhodesian Ridgeback.
We are playing a game that is briefly called, well, this is all Japanese, so it's translated as Summertime High School. But now I'm going to read for you the entire name of this game, and this is not a joke. You can see all the text in the picture there. That's the name, that's the whole name of the game. That's not like a subtext to the game. The game is called Summertime High School, A Young Man's Notes. How a new exchange student like myself ran to his childhood friend on a school tour. Then for some reason became super popular with the girls for his daily scoops on the school photography club, even though he only takes panty shots. And what he thinks as he goes on dates during his summer of island school. That, once again, that was not the description of this game.
I didn't get all that. Could you do it one more time?
Summer? No. Once again.
The most basic way that I write lyrics is to I take the syllables and I adhere it to the riffs in a basic way. So say the riff is like, I might just record myself going, and then I'll listen back to it, and I'll listen to what came naturally, and I'll transcribe it like, soon you'll know the way, and I haven't known. And then you just keep refining it by what you think you said, and then turning it into sentences, right? And then it often surprises you. You're just like, oh, I'm gay, you know, or whatever.
World. Just children and men.
Watch porn. I'm really into bukkake.
Bread. You said go to bread.
Well, fuck.
What job I've learned on what? Like what jobs I've learned over my life? Like what? Oh my god, you have poop on you! Maya! Maya, you have poop on you! Get the fuck out! Get the fuck out! Get out! Oh my god, that's so gross! What the fuck? What the fuck? You're so gross! Oh my fucking god!
No. No, 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 no.
Hey!
Grabs a hold of your hand and smiles at you. Screams and flips the table because it feels. Intertwines my fingers in yours and holds your hand. Squeals and buries my face in your neck as you hold my hand. Kisses your cheekies once more. Keeps squealing, getting louder, and blushes as deeply as possible.
In my house, just made some fries. You know what's better than making fries?
Knowledge.